Okay, so today we're going to create a series circuit using Tinkercard. So all you have to do is to type in tinkercard.com. Okay, and then just click this one. So pag naka-create na kayo ng account sa Tinkercard, so all you have to do is to click this create button and then select circuits. So gagawa tayo ng series circuit. So this one. This is a series circuit. As you can see, you have three LED, and then meron kayong mga resistors. So the connection is positive to negative. So may resistor, positive to negative, and then yung positive, positive, and then you have the negative. Okay, so let's start. So kuha tayo ng breadboard. Yan. So rotate natin gamit to. Okay. Yan. Pag na-rotate nyo na, as you can see, ang ating breadboard, ito yung ating power rails or power bus. So, ito, naka-series yan. So, yung vertical niya naka-series. Ito yung negative, ito yung positive. Lalagyan natin ng power. And then, ito naman, yung horizontal, siya naman na naka-series. This is our terminal, yung ating terminal strip na tinatawag. So, dito tayo naglalagay ng mga circuits. Okay? So, let's proceed. Let's select LED. So, pwede natin palitan ng kulay. For this time, LED po yung gagawin ko ay red. LED na red. So, rotate natin kasi naka-series yan. So, dapat yung isa paa nandito. Okay. So, rotate natin. Ayan. So, kung naka-rotate na siya, ayusin lang natin. Ayan. And then, kuha ulit tayo since tatlo yun. So, this time, gawin natin yellow. Then, ay, sorry. Okay, then, lagay na natin siya sa ating circuit, sa ating breadboard. Again, rotate. Yan. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng copy-paste, Control-C, Control-V. So, Control-C, Control-V. Yan. So, gawin natin green. Okay. So, tatandaan natin, ito po yung ating cathode or negative side, and this is anode for the positive side. Papasin nyo yung naka-bend ng konti. It's our positive side. Okay? And then, gagamit tayo ng resistor. So, palitan natin ng value. Let's make it 220 ohms. Hindi kilo ohms. Ohms. Okay? So, yung connection natin is positive to negative. So, urong lang natin ng konti para magkasya sila. Ayan. So, dapat magkatapat. Naka-series dito. Ayan. You have positive to negative. And then, copy-paste na lang natin to. Control-C, Control-V. Okay, again, from positive to negative. Adjust lang natin yung position. Tapat natin yung negative. Okay, then another uh, resistor, Control-C, Control-V. So, since pare-pares ang value, no need to change the value. Okay, positive, negative. So, this time, this side is negative. Connect natin yan sa negative source. So, click lang natin para magkaroon ng wire. Lagay natin sa negative side. And then this side, so since nasa positive to, connect natin sa positive side. Siyempre, para magka-source yan, kuha tayo ng battery. 9 volts battery. Okay? Pwede nyo lagyan ng pangalan if you want. So, lagay natin sa negative side to. Okay? Pwede nyo i-click na ganyan para magkaroon ng ano, ayan. Kita nyo. So, nasa negative side siya. And this one, yan. Pwede natin i-ganyan. Click nyo lang para magkaroon ng kanto. Yan. Yan ay, natabingi. So, pwede pag natabingi, so since clinic nyo yan, pwede nyong baguhin yung joint niya. Ayan. Okay, so since meron na akong source, power source, for the positive side and for the negative side and the positive side, pwede na tayo mag-start simulation. Ayun. So makikita nyo, umilaw na siya. This is a series circuit. Okay? So you can change the name here. You can change series circuit. Series circuit. Okay? So if you want to stop the simulation, just click stop simulation. Okay?